4 more what?
Coil pack.
All the coil packs are over there?
Yeah, in the don't freeze. You're right. Don't
Oh, that's where they are. What we got going on, bro?
K24. I would give you guys the specs, but if you really want the information, just Google it. Everyone knows 2.4 liter out of a Honda. This one's out of a Honda Accord Type R from Europe. Got the K24A. It's very similar to the K24A2. Actually, it's literally the same thing. I think everything's the exact same from compression ratio, pistons. The only difference is that the A came in the Accord or the Odyssey, and the way you were able to tell is by if it had a power steering pump. This one did not have a power steering pump. I already took it off because we took off a lot of stuff already, as you can see. We took a video of the weighted socket. But right now we are doing a K24 bottom end with a K20 A2 head. Right now all we're gonna do is take apart the K24. We just literally just put on the manifold because we were geeked out seeing something real.
We got both manifolds.
Tollgate factory header, S1000 intake manifold with adapter. We are good.
Damn. Now if you take off the manifolds, take off the valve cover, front cover.
Yeah, so right now we're just starting off taking off the valve cover, and then we probably will take off the front cover. Someday.
So now front cover's coming on. Probably take off the valve cover.
Yeah.
Yo, this guy's a certified Honda tech now.
Should wear my Honda jacket.
OD, or the HRC sweater. This is a moment of truth, to be honest with you.
Oh,
yo, just spit on it.
the snake.
My fault. There we go. Let's see.
Looks pretty clean.
You see?
In the middle in there.
We got a special guest star in the cut.
He's not a special guest star. He's been here many times. Special guest.
Official guest in the cut.
Official guest. He's a worker, bro.
Okay.
Okay, he came in to work. He came in to slave.
Foreman. Who gave you that title?
There you go. We got the front cover off by Master Tech Ryan. Shop foreman over here.
That's crazy.
Oh, my fault. You want to be shop foreman?
No.
I was about to say, because you wouldn't be working if you were the foreman, bro. You just be looking at it.
Nah, it doesn't look like there's a Type S oil pump.
Nah, so it's just the regular oil pump that's in there?
Seems like it. I'm gonna put it in top DC.
So now I just put this shit in TDC and start taking everything apart. Tensioner's off.
A Nissan
What is that?
It's a 300ZX.
That's the spring for the
For the caliper.
For the caliper?
Brake pads.
Hey, bro, you gotta do what you gotta do sometimes, bro. Remember, when breaking your head studs loose, do them in order. Now, why is that, Master Tech?
The reason why is because when everything's bolted down, it's kind of held in at a pressure, and if you just start torquing it all willy-nilly, then eventually you could either warp the head, warp the cams, and eventually you'll have even bigger problems when you put it back together. Sometimes it'll be even so small that you won't even be able to notice it.
Yeah. And then you'll be spending more money than you actually have to, and that sucks.
Exactly.
Just taking the cam caps off.
Yeah, but what the what?
Yeah, that shit's tight, right?
Completely different, bro.
Yeah, I could barely see him. Yeah, you could already see it. You could see the difference between them. And then you look at this one over here. You could definitely see the difference.
I'm gonna be honest, even the cams, you could see them. Look how small these cams are.
Let me see.
Yeah, these open for a longer time. Look at the cams.
Bigger lobe.
Yeah,
Way bigger lobe.
you could definitely see the difference.
Yeah. Yeah.
What you doing there? Oh, you taking off the
Take off
headset?
the headset.
Oh, that's why you were struggling like that? Yeah. I was like, yo, what's going on?
You gotta be. Lock in.
Y'all niggas need to hold this more.
Nah, nigga, you here by yourself. You got a camera and a foreman. You ain't getting help,
Word.
nigga. Damn.
Nigga, yo.
Yeah, that
There
shit
you
is
go.
torque to yield. That's for sure.
That's what we got ARP headsets.
OD.
2000s?
Huh?
You got 2000?
Wait,
I don't know.
Yeah.
you know the order?
I always found the stupidest shit. It's like a screen.
Oh, that little like small micron filter, whatever that is.
Yeah. There's nothing really.
I've never even seen that get dirty too. That's the funny
I have.
thing. Really?
Yeah, I have. Imagine these are economy motors.
Oh, my fault. I forgot. He's getting paid to educate and work at the same time. So now everything's off, right? We could just pop this head off and then that's it, right?
Yes, sir.
All right. Let's get to it.
Oh, yeah.
Looks like a pretty clean head gasket. You see? Damn, you can't go any brighter. That's not bad. It's pretty nice. There you go. Shit looks pretty clean.
That's a little bit of carbon buildup, right?
Yeah, I was probably just running a little bit rich, but...
No, how does the
Yeah, but
walls
this
look?
doesn't
Is a
even
real
look
question.
that bad, though. Like, carbon buildup doesn't look excessive. It looks normal.
Yeah, the walls look good too.
It's just 2 out of the 4. Yeah, it looks nice. It not bad. Is that shit still look cleaner than the 240s when I did the oil drain?
That's it, Randy. That's a special case. It does not compare. All you hear in this video, oh shit. Bro, I'll never forget. I'll never forget when I knew this shit was fucked. Cause the first time when I noticed that there was no water, me and Rafi had to stop at a gas station, and luckily there was 2 empty water bottles. So I have Rafi running in and out of the bathroom, filling it up with the fucking faucet water, and I'm pouring it in. Bro, I turn on that car, that thing goes, and I was like, okay, whatever. As soon as I exit out of the thing and I give it gas, all you see is white smoke. Poof, poof! I was like, we're good. So I'm driving and it happens again. So it happened like more far down, and then eventually, you know where the Dollar Tree's at on 1 and 9? Like in Edison? I had to stop there, bought 5 water bottles, filled up like with 2.5. Driving back, bro, that thing was touching H, and I was just turning. I hopped off the parkway, so I started turning it off, letting it coast, turning it back on, making my turn, letting it coast. I get home and I was like, "Yeah, Dad, that engine's fucked." He's like, "Did you check the oil?" And I was like, "Nah, we checked that shit."
Gone. No oil.
No, it didn't. What milkshake?
Oh.
I've never seen that.
Let me see.
It's a stud on
One
the block.
stud, huh? It's only one stud? I thought, nah, probably more.
Bro, I've never seen a stud on this.
That's crazy.
Yeah, we stripped that shit, put a stud in it.
Have you ever seen a double wrench on the Allen key?
I know, right? That's the craziest shit I've seen.
You gotta do what you gotta do, yo.
Craziest shit I've seen.
I definitely broke it.
Yep.
Yeah, see? I'm gonna have to do the same thing on the other one, though.
Yeah.
That shit.
You good?
You got a couple one?
That shit, nah, bro, that shit hurt. I'm suing you now.
You think you're suing me, bro?
Yeah, we adults now. We don't run fades, bro. We got money. What are you talking about?
You touch me, I'm suing.
Yeah, we got money, bro. We. No send off.
Engine's pretty healthy. I'm happy with what we got. I thought we were gonna have a H2 pump already, which would have been super cool, but beggars can't be choosers.
I mean, we have an A2 pump, but we just didn't want to take this off.
No, we have to cut the A2 pump.
Yeah, but we still have the pump. That's what we're trying to say.
Yeah, that is true. Because the A2 pump on here, this little thing stands up, so we have to cut it so it could fit it.
That's just Honda stuff. How about you, shop foreman? What you got to say?
Our mechanic did good today.
Hey, yo.
Our mechanic did good today.
He deserves his paycheck?
He deserves his paycheck.
All right.
We're getting paid for this?